Having a business mentor can be a game changer for entrepreneurs and professionals alike. One of the most significant benefits is the personalized guidance and advice that mentors offer. With years of experience in the industry, a mentor can provide insights that are tailored to your specific business challenges and goals. This bespoke advice can help you navigate complex situations, avoid common pitfalls, and make informed decisions that could significantly impact your business's success there. Perspective, grounded in real-world experience, can help you refine your strategies and improve your overall business approach. Another key benefit of having a business mentor is the valuable networking opportunities they provide. Mentors often have extensive networks within their industry and can introduce you to key contacts who could become potential partners, clients, or collaborators. These connections can open doors to new opportunities and resources that might be difficult to access on your own. By leveraging your mentor's network, you can build valuable relationships that can help drive your business forward and create opportunities for growth and expansion. A business mentor also plays a crucial role in your personal and professional development. They offer constructive feedback and critique that can help you identify your strengths and areas for improvement. This type of feedback is essential for growth as it allows you to develop new skills, improve your leadership abilities, and refine your business strategies. Mentors act as sounding boards for your ideas, helping you to think critically and strategically about your business decisions. This ongoing development is vital for staying competitive and achieving long-term success. Additionally, having a mentor can provide a significant boost to your confidence and motivation. The support and encouragement from a mentor can be incredibly motivating, especially during challenging times. Knowing that you have someone experienced who believes in your potential and is invested in your success can enhance your morale, and drive this boost in confidence can help you tackle obstacles with a positive mindset, remain focused on your goals, and persevere through difficult periods. Mentors can also offer new perspectives and innovative ideas that you might not have considered. Their diverse experiences and viewpoints can inspire you to think creatively and explore new approaches to problem solving. This exposure to different perspectives can lead to more innovative solutions and strategies, helping you to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing market conditions. Finally, a business mentor can help enhance your accountability and discipline. By setting clear goals and developing actionable plans, your mentor can provide regular check-ins to ensure that you stay on track. This accountability can help you maintain focus, prioritize tasks effectively, and achieve your objectives more efficiently. The structure and guidance offered by a mentor can be invaluable for maintaining momentum and driving progress in your business endeavors. In conclusion, the benefits of having a business mentor are substantial and multifaceted, from personalized guidance and valuable networking opportunities to personal development and increased confidence. Mentors provide essential support that can significantly enhance your business success. Their experience, connections, and insights can help you navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve your goals with greater ease and effectiveness.